Onshape's Show Mates mode provides a visual representation for which mates are associated with a specific component. Instead of hovering over a long list of mate features in a large assembly to find a specific mate, utilize Show Mates to quickly identify mate features. To enable Show Mates mode, select Show Mates mode on the toolbar, or use shortcut key H. Once enabled, hovering over a component or a subassembly in the graphics area or instance list will display any corresponding mates. The mate location, type, and degrees of freedom are indicated with icons visible in the graphics area. Selecting one of the mate icons will highlight it in the mates list, as well as display the primary and secondary axes and the current dimensional values associated with the degrees of freedom. Selecting a component will maintain the visibility of the mate icons, making it easier to select mates that may be defined further from the component. The dimensional values associated with the degrees of freedom can be modified by double-clicking the value in the graphics area and entering the new value. The mate can also be edited by right-clicking the mate icon and choosing Edit from the right-click menu. Alternatively, if Show Mates mode is not enabled, the same functionality can be achieved by right-clicking a component or subassembly and choosing Show Mates. The mates are visible for the selected component or subassembly. The mates can be toggled off by right-clicking and choosing Hide Mates. To show mates for the entire assembly, the shortcut key J will hide or show all mates. Show Mates mode makes it much easier to identify and manage mates associated with specific components or subassemblies. By revealing those mates, editing their definition, or applying new dimensional values to their degrees of freedom can be completed in less time.